Assertion: primary benzylic halides are more reactive than primary alkyl halides. Reason given is reactivity depends upon the nature of the nucleophile and the solvent. First, let us take the assertion. What is primary benzylic halide? That is C6H5 CH2. Let us take Br. This is benzyl and this is halide. And what is primary alkyl halide? This is CH3 CH2 Br. See, primary benzylic halide, it is stabilized by resonance. Let us take CH2Br. When this Br leaves, it forms a carbocation, that is CH2 plus. This is a carbocation. This carbocation is resonance stabilized. See, it has more resonance structure. For example, when this bond is shifted here, so we can write more resonance structure. It is more resonance stabilized. So if the carbocation is having more resonance, the stability increases and it favors SN1 mechanism. In the case of CH2Br, it has CH3, CH2, this carbocation. This carbocation is less stable than benzyl. So more the stable carbocation, more it favors SN1 mechanism. So primary benzylic halides, this is primary benzylic halides which has a stable carbocation is more reactive than primary alkyl halide. The assertion given is correct. Then moving on to the reason. Reactivity depends upon the nature of the nucleophile and the solvent. So you should know what is reactivity. Reactivity means if there is a presence of protic solvent or aprotic solvent, reactivity differs. You should not confuse with reactivity and rate. So we know that in the rate of the reaction, in rate of SN1 mechanism, it depends only, the rate depends upon the only one step, either nucleophile, either of the reactant. So reactivity depends upon the what is the nature of the nucleophile and what is the solvent. The product differs if the nucleophile and the solvent differs. So the reason is also correct. Rate depends upon the one of the reactant, but reactivity depends upon what is the nucleophile we are adding and what is the solvent. For example, if it is protic, a different product, and aprotic, that is different product. So the reason is also correct. Here assertion is correct and reason is correct, but reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. What will be the correct explanation for the assertion is, it is the carbocation is more stable and it favors SN1 mechanism than the primary alkyl halides. The carbocation word is not mentioned in the reason. The carbocation word is not mentioned. So the option will be B. That is, assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. So the option is B.